So this is our second campsite of the trip. We've moved downriver a couple of miles. Saw some really nice bulls last night. No opportunities at them this morning, they were gone. Saw a couple of grizzlies across the river just gorging themselves on blueberries. We can go up here and check out our camp. Here's Dan's bull from a few days ago. Just a beauty. Awesome bull. Go up here and check out camp. His dad working on his skull. How's it going? There's his bull from a couple days ago. Yeah. Got it. There's Dan working on cutting up some meat. Just got done cooking us a awesome meal once again.
I cooked it.
Oh, you cooked it, huh? Yeah. Got our meat hung up here. Our tent over here. Dad's gonna clean up some dishes. Drizzly day, but still having a good time moose hunting in Alaska. Pretty frickin' sweet. Meat's staying dry. I made a meat pull yesterday. Maybe time for a little coffee. Until next time.